Nanjing Deers is a manufacturer of rubber fenders with more than 15 years of experience. Our cylindrical fenders are shipped to all parts of the world and are well received by our customers. Cylindrical rubber fender is hollow cylindrical rubber products, according to the fender specifications, that can be installed in 3 ways. The first one is suitable for a small cylindrical fender, which can be installed on the wharf with a chain and U-shaped ring. The second is suitable for the medium cylindrical fender, which is fixed to the wharf with the steel rod and 2 shorter chains. For a large cylindrical fender, a steel frame structure is generally adopted to make it more secure and firm. Cylindrical rubber fender has low reaction force, little surface pressure, and reasonable energy absorption. It is especially suitable for the upper part of integral docks and heavy-style docks, and it's easy to install relatively. Nanjing Deers will design fender of different specifications according to customers' needs, and provide a good after-sales service. You can learn more product information through our website. Welcome to consult us.